Hello, and welcome to Textile Technical Insights.
A new business opportunity has been recognized by textile industry. It is PPE. So let's discuss non-medical face mask, non-surgical mask, surgical face mask, N95 Respirator, N95s Respirator, and surgical gowns for U.S. markets. Let's get started. Personal protective equipment (PPE). PPE is equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illness. Injuries may be physical, chemical, microbial, electrical, mechanical. Safety glasses, safety shoes, respirators, surgical gowns, coveralls are examples of PPE. Some PPEs are made of 100% textile materials. Face mask. A face mask is a product that covers the user's nose and mouth with a cloth face covering. It may be for single use or multiple uses. It may be washed or dry cleaned. 3 types of face masks are available: non-medical face mask, non-surgical mask, surgical face mask. Non-medical face mask. Face masks for non-medical purposes are not medical devices and are not regulated by the FDA. This is not a personal protective equipment. PPE. This image is a non-medical cloth face mask. Non-surgical mask. Face masks intended for a medical purpose, but not intended to provide liquid barrier protection. These face masks are to be used for source control only. Source control means preventing the transmission of infection when a person is coughing and sneezing. This is not a personal protective equipment. PPE. Non-surgical face masks are regulated under 21 CFR 878.4040 as Class 1 device. This is 510K exempt device. A 510K is a pre-market submission made to FDA to demonstrate that the device is as safe and effective. This is a non-surgical face mask. And if you want to export these products to USA, no need to inform to FDA. Surgical face mask. Surgical masks cover the user's nose and mouth and provide a barrier to fluids and particulates. These are regulated under 21 CFR 878.4040 as Class 2 devices. This is a personal protective equipment (PPE). A surgical mask blocks large particle droplets, splashes, sprays, or splatter that may contain germs. It does not filter very small particles in the air that may be transmitted by coughs, sneezes. It doesn't provide complete protection because of the loose fit between surface of the mask and face. Surgical masks must meet certain requirements specified in ASTM F2100. Bacterial filtration efficiency (BFE), ASTM F2101. Differential pressure breathability, N14683. 2019. Annex C. Resistance to penetration by synthetic blood, ASTM F1862. Submicron particulate filtration, ASTM F2299. Flammability 16 CFR 1610. Surgical masks are not intended to be used more than once. This is the image of a surgical face mask. Prior submission of a pre-market notification under Section 510K of the FD&C Act was necessary. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, FDA has temporarily suspended this requirement. Now it is possible to export these devices to U.S. market without 510K notification. But testing must be done according to ASTM F2100 and products must exhibit satisfactory test results. Filtering Facepiece Respirator, FFR. The FFR is a disposable half-face-piece non-powered air purifying particulate respirator. This is regulated under 42 CFR 84. They are designed for use as respiratory protection against aerosols with particulate contaminants. These respirators are quite efficient against particulate matter PM 2.5. They don't work against gases and vapors. These are PPE. These respirators are classified into 3 series: N, R, and P series. N for not resistant to oil, R for resistant to oil, P for oil-proof, strongly resistant to oil. The 3 levels of filter efficiency are 95%, 99%, and 99.97%. So 42 CFR 84 regulation provides 9 classes of FFRs. They are N95, N99, N100, R95, R99, R100, P95, P99, P100. N95 Respirator. It is a respiratory protective device designed to achieve a very close facial fit and very efficient filtration of airborne particles. Note that the edges of the respirator are designed to form a seal around the nose and mouth. It offers protection from particulates at 95% filtration efficiency level per regulation 42 CFR 84. It is a non-medical PPE. These respirators needs to be approved by NIOSH before U.S. market access as per 42 CFR 84. Surgical N95 Respirator, N95s. Surgical N95 respirators are commonly used in healthcare settings and are a subset of N95 FFR. It is often referred to as N95s. N95's FFR is regulated by FDA under 21 CFR 878.4040, FDA product code MSH. It is both NIOSH approved and cleared by FDA as a surgical mask. As it is being used as a face mask, it must comply with testing requirements of ASTM F2100. Construction-wise, it is not different from N95 respirator. It is either a Class II device that is exempt from pre-market notification requirements under Section 510K of the FD&C Act, or is a Class II cleared device. Surgical gown. This is a protective clothing that is used by healthcare professionals during surgical procedures. It protects both patient and doctor. Assistance from transfer of body fluids, blood and other potential infectious materials. This is regulated under 21 CFR 878.4040 as Class II device. It is different from non-surgical PPEs like isolation gown and decontamination gown. It may be designed as a single-use or multi-use product. These gowns must meet specific requirements as described in ASTM F2407. Following tests has to be conducted: biocompatibility, sterility assurance level, flammability, barrier performance, tensile strength, tear strength, seam strength, lint generation, and water vapor transmission rate. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share this video and subscribe to this channel.